Good morning, children. Today we are going to study chapter number 11 from your textbook, and the name of the lesson is Exploring Internet Services. Okay, before starting the chapter, let me tell you what Internet is. You all must be knowing by now in this class that Internet is the largest network of computers in the world. Okay, all the computer networks or almost all the computer networks located in different countries, they are connected to each other through a network, maybe through cables or through wireless medium or through satellites, and they form the largest network known as the internet. It is also called as network of networks. Now there are some services that are provided by internet, as you all must be knowing, like email, your social media network, etc. So in this chapter we are going to learn about various services provided by internet. Okay, now internet and its services. इंटरनेट और उसके द्वारा दी जाने वाली सर्विसेज कौन सी होती हैं? First, the definition. Internet is sometimes simply called the net. Okay, we sometimes we call only simply the net, and net means internet. Is a worldwide connection of computer networks to search and transfer information. All right. So, what is the use of internet? इंटरनेट किस काम आता है? जब आपको कोई इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च करनी है या एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर करनी है, सो वी यूज द इंटरनेट फॉर दैट. एंड देयर आर सम सर्विसेज अवेलेबल ऑन इंटरनेट. क्या क्या सर्विसेज अवेलेबल हैं? लोकेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन, आपको किसी भी टॉपिक पे कोई इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च करनी है, यू कैन यूज द इंटरनेट. Various search engines are giving that service to you, like Google, etc. Email is a very popular service that lets you send messages within a few seconds from one place to another. Chatting and instant messaging, video conferencing, e-commerce, social networking, and blogging. Okay, and lastly, the cloud computing. Now, in this presentation, in this chapter, we are going to see these topics in detail. This is the diagram showing various uses of internet: social networking, job search, electronic mail, research, online banking, etc. Now, let us begin with the services available on internet. The first service available is locating information using search engine. You know there are many search engines that helps you to search the information, like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and Baidu search. These are some of the popular search engines. It is showing the percentage that the most popular one is the Google. Then you have Yahoo, Bing, etc. Now, search engines are specialized websites. What are search engines? Search engines are a special website that helps you to find any information you are looking for on the web. Okay? Search engines वो special websites हैं जो आपको information search करने को allow करते हैं. And how do you search the information? You just type the keywords. Okay? For example, आपको solar system के बारे में search करना है. So you are going to start your browser, your Google Chrome, and you are going to open the site www.google.com, and in that there will be a text box. उस text box में आप लिखेंगे solar system, and when you press enter you will get a list of all the websites. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? उन सारी websites की list मिलेगी जिसमें भी solar system के बारे में जानकारी उपलब्ध है. Alright, so just type the keywords and the search engine will look for matching websites. सर्च इंजन को जिस वेबसाइट पे भी आप जो वर्ड सर्च कर रहे हैं वो उसको मिलता है, वो उन वेबसाइट्स की एक लिस्ट आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर आ जाती है. Then you can click on the link and look for the detailed information. Second is email. Email is an electronic way to send or receive messages in digital form over the internet. Email क्या है? Email is एक electronic method जिससे आप एक मैसेज को one computer to another computer भेज सकते in digital form. Files, pictures, videos, etc. can also be sent as an attachment. ईमेल में आप केवल मैसेज ही नहीं, उस मैसेज के साथ आपको कोई फाइल भेजनी है, कोई फोटोज हैं, वीडियोज हैं, आप वो भी उनको ईमेल के साथ अटैच करके भेज सकते हैं. इसका बेनिफिट क्या है? इट इज फास्ट एंड इजी. ऑलराइट, earlier when we used to send message from one place to another in the form of letter, you know how much time it took. It may take days or even weeks if you are sending it to some other country. But because of email, you can send message very quickly and easily from one place to another. Like example is Gmail and Yahoo Mail. Then you have chat and instant messaging. Now chatting क्या है? आप यूज करते हैं WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, etc., Twitter. Real time communication over the internet with friends or colleagues in voice, video, or both. Real time communication means at the present moment you are online, means you are on internet and using that service, maybe WhatsApp or Facebook, and your friend or your relative is also online at the same time, so you can keep messaging to each other. The other person will see the message almost instantly as soon as you press the enter, and when the other person replies you can also read the reply. So this way instant communication or chatting through the internet is known as chatting or instant messaging. Some of the popular examples are Skype and FB Messenger, user to user chat or room chat. Okay, you can either chat to one person at a time, or there are some chat rooms available on internet in which you can chat with a group of people. Now video conferencing. To conduct a conference between two or more participants at different sites by using computer networks to transmit audio and video data. In video conferencing, what happens? Like we talk to people at a place, like suppose we talk in the classroom, that we both are present, both the parties are present at the same place. But nowadays, as you are seeing, because of this COVID pandemic, people are using video conferencing. Your online classes are going on by using the Zoom or Skype. So what happens? The participants are physically not present at one place. Okay, लोग एक जगह पर नहीं है फिर भी वो बात कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि उनकी स्क्रीन पे जिस पर्सन से वो बात कर रहे हैं उसकी फोटो और उसका साउंड उनको स्क्रीन पे अवेलेबल होता है. सिमिलरली आप जो बोल रहे हैं और आपकी फोटो जिस पर्सन से आप बात कर रहे हैं उसकी स्क्रीन पर, चाहे मोबाइल हो या लैपटॉप हो या कंप्यूटर हो, उस पर अवेलेबल होता है. सो दिस वे यू चैट टू वन अनदर यूजिंग इंटरनेट. दिस इज नोन एज वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. ये कंपनीज की मीटिंग्स में, क्लासेस में और इवन फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स को आपस में बातें करने में बहुत यूजफुल सर्विस है. Then you have e-commerce, again another very popular service. You know, people are purchasing online these days. Online shopping is very popular. Transacting business electronically on the internet in form of buying or selling is e-commerce. E-commerce क्या है? जब आप इंटरनेट पे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदते या बेचते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज ई कॉमर्स. इसके एडवांटेज क्या है? 24/7 मीन्स ये हमेशा ओपन है, 24 घंटे 7 दिन ये आपके लिए अवेलेबल है. एग्जाम्पल आर Amazon, OLX, etc. Okay, you place the order, the service provider arrange the goods from the warehouse and sends at your doorstep. ये बेनिफिशियल आपको किस तरह से है? यू कैन अवॉइड गोइंग टू द मार्केट, योर टाइम इज सेव्ड, योर फ्यूल इज सेव्ड, एंड because of this pandemic you need to avoid crowded places. So e-commerce or online shopping is the best option. Then you have the cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Delivery of computing resources over the internet. Instead of keeping data, photos and software at our end, we use a service over the internet, example Google Docs. Now what happens in this? Earlier when we used to save some file or some photos, these were saved onto our laptop or in our mobile. Okay, and if you need to carry them to some other place, like you are going to some other city, you need to carry them photographs or files in a pen drive or you need to carry your laptop or mobile along with you. Now what happens? Because of cloud computing, we can save our data on the internet. Okay, on the internet means there are some websites that are providing you some space of storage. Okay, you can keep your save your files, photographs, etc. onto those websites, and wherever you go, जहां भी आप जाएं, किसी भी शहर में आप हो, किसी भी टाइम, यू कैन लॉग इन इनटू योर अकाउंट. आप उस वेबसाइट पे अपना अकाउंट ओपन करेंगे और आपकी जो भी फाइल्स और फोटोग्राफ्स वहां सेव्ड हैं वो आपको कहीं भी किसी भी शहर में, दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में आपको हर समय अवेलेबल रहेंगी. बिकॉज of this service, it is known as cloud computing. And why it is called as cloud? Because it is imagined that the data is kept somewhere that is visible throughout the world. Okay, you know the sky, the clouds, they are visible throughout the world. So your data is available. So it is called as cloud computing. Social networking, another online platform or sites for building social relations among people who share common interest to share ideas. Example, Facebook and Instagram. Okay. Now what you must be familiar with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. These are social networking sites. What is the use? You can make an account on them and you can make new friends who have the share common ideas and common interests. Okay, like you make friends in real life, you can make friends on social network or through internet. You can have you can send a friend request. If the person accepts, you can have some chatting, and then if allowed or if possible, you can also meet the person if you find him sharing the same interest or ideas. Some popular sites are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Another service available on internet are the blogs. Blog means you can imagine like they are you can say notice board or something where people write their thoughts. Weblog, regular entries on sites in the form of post to express our thoughts easily and at a low cost to the world. Suppose you are having some views on a topic. Now, instead of going and telling to each and everybody, that will be a Herculean task and it is not possible also. So, what people do, they have a blog, they place or they write their views onto that blog or that website, and the people who are connected to that blogger, they can view his thoughts or her thoughts onto that website and post their comments about the thought of the person. The people who are posting the blogs are known as bloggers, and the process is called blogging. Example, Wix and WordPress, etc. Okay, किसी भी टॉपिक पे आपके व्यूज हैं, आपने उस वेबसाइट पे अपने अकाउंट पे पोस्ट कर दिए. You can write your thoughts, you can post some pictures, and other people who are following you, they can write their comments, and this way you can discuss and make a public or social opinion about some topic. Then you have e-sites. E-sites means electronic sites that are open 24 hours and gives you various services like online classes are going on, technology for learning anytime, anywhere. You can learn and you can share your ideas or talk to your mentor or your teacher. Your e-banking, you can use your bank services through the website on your mobile or through your computer. It is open 24 hours. You can transfer money or you can open your new account. You can open fixed deposit. You can break the fixed deposit. All the services for which you needed to go to the bank earlier, you can do at your home only. E-shopping, as we discussed earlier, shopping over the internet, it is open 24 hours a day. More choice, you can explore more options, you can see products of various companies, and you can get the home delivery of the product that you choose, like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. are the websites. And lastly, e-reservation, making reservation for road, rail or air travel using websites. Online payment and ticket printing or photo. E-reservation service allows you to get the reservation done for your rail, road or air journey. You can book your tickets, you can make the online payment, and you can readily, without getting into the queue to get the ticket, and that to avoid all that crowding, you can simply use the online methods to get the reservation done and to give the payment, and you can simply at the day of your journey you can go and be seated at your place. Some examples are Make My Trip, redbus.in, etc. All right. So students, please read the chapter from your book and also see this video again. Okay. In the next class, or maybe if possible, along with this video, I'll be sending you the question answers to be done. You can do them in your book, and the exercise in your book and the questions in your notebook. Thank you.